How to download Canva for PC and laptop. The first things first is decide on whatever your preferred web browser that you can use. Now for this video, I'm going to be using Google Chrome. Now you need to have an account. Now visit canva.com's official website and go ahead straight to logged in and make sure that you log into your account. Now you can still use this without downloading. You just need a working browser from your laptop or PC, and then you can go ahead and do your project. But if you would like to download it to make this like somehow like a software, then all you have to do is to locate your personal account here at the top right portion of your screen where your profile picture is visible. Just click on that, and there will be a drop down. Now scroll all the way down and go ahead to get the Canva apps. Now you'll be redirected to another page, and this is where you can download Canva for Windows. And that's how you download Canva for laptop and PC.